It's a certified 2017 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV you can be proud of. This CX-5 handles like a sports car and looks as poised and powerful as a predatory animal on the hunt. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: SKYACTIVA G engine, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, front heated bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, aluminum wheels, selective service internet access, and LED low and high beam headlights. New Car Test Drive notes, "We think best in class" also applies to the new electric power rack and pinion steering system. For all the things that drive you, there's Mazda. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.